Hello everyone, how are we? Two things before we get started. First thing, sorry if I look a bit tired and dishevelled, it's because I haven't been up very long, hence the cup of tea. And secondly, you might notice a bit of a jump in quality with this video. I've invested some money into the channel and I've gone and bought myself some new lenses, so the quality should be better, providing I know what I'm doing. Now picture the scene, it's the weekend, the bloody crotch goblins are off school, and they're like, Mum, can we have chicken fajitas for tea? And you're like, no, who are you and why are you in my house? And they're like, no, that is child neglect, we're calling Childline. And you're like, fine, okay, I'll make you fajitas, God. And you might be thinking, Adam, I could just go out and buy one of these kit things to make my fajitas. But before you do that, stop. Because first off, they're expensive. I mean, this was like £3.85, nearly £4. For what? What are we getting? Let's have a bloody look, shall we? Nearly £4 for what? Some overly processed, crappy salsa, some BS seasoning powder, and bread, tortillas. Crap. Don't need it.
Get me fucking way. Go on, get it. Fucking waste of our time.
And if you'd done what I said in previous videos, you'd have gone out and invested in some spices already. So you've probably got most of the spices already. Then we've got our veggies, bit of chilli there, some lime, got some greenery as well. Got our chicken, got some salad in the fridge. I'm gonna top it with some sour cream. It's gonna be good. But what I'm gonna do first is get the onion and the pepper sliced up. Bit of prep. So the peppers, onions and chilli are all nicely diced up. Into the pan with some oil. I'm using olive oil. You could use like rapeseed if you want. Good tablespoon, I'd say. And then straight in with the onions, the pepper and the chilli. There it goes. And then straight onto medium to low heat. And we want to saute these for about 10 minutes so they start to go nice and soft. You don't want raw onion and pepper in your fajita. So they can carry on cooking away whilst we sort out the chicken titties. Chicken boobs. I got these from the butcher. There's about 600 grams there. I've got a bit extra so Moggs can have some. I'll cook some up in the air fryer without seasoning, because you don't want chilli and all that stuff, do you? I'm gonna weigh out 500 grams. It's about two large chicken breasts. I'm just gonna remove any like khaki bits, those sort of... I cut myself. This is why Adam shouldn't have sharp knives. Look, he's bloody cut himself already. Back, got a plaster on now. Yes, I'm gonna take out some of these khaki bits out of the chicken, the sort of sinewy bits, chewy bits, don't want those. Before anyone comments on my plaster, no, it's not a food safe one, so I'm gonna have to remove it afterwards because I'll have chicken juice all over it. Oh, zero, fucking hell. Fuck my life, these scales are shit. Then literally, I'm just gonna slice my chicken into like strips. Look, you know what a strip is, don't you? That sort of size. Get it in the scales. Okay, right, so there's our chicken, all nicely diced up. There's some for Moggs as well, so he's not gonna miss out. I've had a clean down as well. I've washed up, cleaned the board, cleaned my knife. So now we can make our marinade for the chicken. And as always, all the measurements will be in the description below. So I'm gonna go with some smoked paprika, say 3 teaspoons, cumin, coriander as well. This is optional, but I'm gonna add some ancho chili powder, which is a sort of smoky, not very spicy chili powder. If you haven't got this, you don't need to go out and buy it. Just use whatever chili powder you like. Good pinch of salt, black pepper. Also going to add the juice of a lime. And then lastly, some oil. I'd say about sort of 2 tablespoons is enough. Then I'm not going to use my hands, but probably easier. Just going to get a spoon in there, mix it all together. Now I'm going to get my hands in there, it's easier. And then it should resemble something you find on the bottom of an operating room floor. Our onions, pepper and chilli are coming along nicely. And the chicken can sit in the fridge for half an hour so those spices and everything can kind of work their way into the chicken. It doesn't need too long because the citrus in the lime, it can sort of like turn chicken a bit woolly. Half an hour to an hour, it's going to be fine. Exactly. I concur, I agree. Right, so the onions and the pepper is about there, so I'm going to add the garlic. The reason I didn't add that in at the start, because we don't want the garlic to burn. Okay, because burnt garlic tastes bitter and horrible. So we just want to flash that in there for about 30 seconds, just to take the rawness out. And that's our onion and pepper mixture done. Let's get this mixture out of the pan. just into a little bowl to one side. Now's a good time to get your salad ready, whatever you're having inside your wrap. I'm keeping it simple. I'm only going to have lettuce, a bit of sour cream, but you could put cheese in there, tomato, you can make your own salsa, do what you want. Then I've got the pan back on the heat, and I'm going to turn it up, sort of medium high, touch more oil, and then straight in with our marinated chicken. And that's why we took the onions and pepper out, because what we want to do is get some nice char on this chicken. And if I was to just leave the peppers in there with it, and the peppers and the onions going to burn. So give that a few minutes, get some nice colour on that chicken. Now I'm going to turn the heat down. Now we've got some colour. Add the peppers and onion back in. I'm going to stick a lid on and give that 5-10 minutes just so the chicken's cooked through. And I'm going to chop up some salad. And what I've also done is just, oh yeah, oh, hot. Warmed up some tortillas. Put how many you want, stick them in some foil, put in a warm oven for a few minutes, or you can like leave the foil off, ding them in the microwave for 30 seconds. Easy. Got my lettuce, add some chopped coriander as well, that's optional. Sour cream, got some lime as well. Let's build one of these suckers. Right, let's get this scran. Cheers. That's truly magnificent. Way better than some packet mix with 4,000 ingredients. It tastes fresher, it's cheaper, and importantly as well, you know what's gone into it. And you saw how easy that was to make. Once you've got your prep done, like start to finish, 15-20 minutes, you've got tea. So there we go, chicken fajitas. Don't buy these stupid kits. You don't need them. Garbage. Anyway, I'm going to bugger off. So I can smash the rest of this in my face, and the other one as well. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing. Like, share, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and remember to share these recipes. It's cheap, it's cheerful, it's tasty. It can make your belly happy and make your crotch goblins happy as well. Sorry, children. I do love you really, but I just don't want any of my own. No, sir. No, siree. No, thank you. But anyway, I'll see you gorgeous lot next time. Oh, excuse me. Bye for now. Chili burps.